Hello, my dear little friends. Welcome to Parikshit Krish. Today, we are going to learn about the parts of the body. Are you ready? Let's start. This is head. The head is at the top of our body. Can you touch your head? Great job! These are eyes. We use our eyes to see. Can you blink your eyes? Excellent! This is nose. We use our nose to smell. Can you touch your nose? Amazing! This is mouth. We use our mouth to eat, drink and to talk. Can you give me a big smile? Wonderful! These are ears. We use our ears to hear sounds. Can you touch your ears? Fantastic! These are my fingers. We use our finger to hold things, write, draw and to play. Can you touch your fingers? Amazing! This is neck. The neck joins our head to our body. Can you gently touch your neck? Great job! Now let's say all the body parts together. Head, hair, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, fingers, neck. Excellent! You remembered all them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.